Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to collect 10 million coins in just 10 minutes in Hamster Kombat. So it's a very easy strategy and this strategy will help you to level up fast without wasting your time. So we all know that coins are essential in the game and you need them in order to buy new cards and upgrade your profit power. But if you are low on coins, completing daily tasks get tough. That's why this method is so useful for you, as it helps you to save your coins and still upgrade efficiently. So here is the trick. First of all, you need to head over to the playground section, and here you need to select the mini games option. Now in the mini games, select the hexa puzzle and tap on the play button. Now this is where the magic happens. Here all you have to do is to match the colors in the rows. Every time you complete a row, you earn coins. So with this you can easily gather up to 1 lakh coins in just 30 seconds. So when you earn these coins, you don't need to use them for leveling up. Instead, you just have to use them to buy and upgrade your cards. Save the coins you get from the profit power for leveling up. This way you will maximize your progress without losing your coins. I would recommend you to play this mini game every 3 hours to collect the profit power and more coins. So if you stick to this routine, you will hit the 10 million coins fast and level up in no time. So that was it for today's trick. If you find this strategy helpful, then make sure you like this video and subscribe to the channel for more tips. If you have any questions, you can drop them down in the comment section. I will get back to you. Till then, thank you so much for watching.